Okay, let's look at the homework 6.3, 6.4, number 7. All right. So what we want to do is we have this given function, looks like a quadratic function, and we want to find left sum with n equals 3, which means that you have 3 rectangles. Right. So let's do that. All right. So L3. So L3. Right. So we are using the left endpoint. So you have 3 intervals. So here's 1, 2, 3. So we are using the left interval. So it's going to be, we're going to use 1, 2, and 3. Right? So that's going to be, so I'm going to just do that. Let's say f of 1. So plug in 1. Right? Then we plug in 2. And we plug in 3. All right, then times the width. I'm gonna just call it the delta x for now, right? But it looks like delta x is in this case, 4 minus 1 divided by 3. So 4 minus 1 divided by n equals 3, which is 1 anyway, right? So let's do that. So I'll show you how to compute this using GeoGebra. So I'll open that up. All right. So one way is you can define a function. All right. So let's do that. Okay. So function is f of x. Right. Then you do a colon equals to define the function. So negative. Let's see. Negative 2/3. Right. Times x minus 4, right, raise it to the second power squared plus 8, right? I put way too many parentheses there, so that's that. Right, so that's the function. So hit enter. Right, then it will sketch the graph. Then all you really have to do is we want to compute. So it's going to be right, so it's going to be f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3. All right, let's make sure that I have the right number of parentheses. All right, and then multiply by 1, so which doesn't do anything. Maybe yeah, I'll just leave that and hit enter. All right, so it's a 14.67. All right, so let's go back. So this came out to be 14.67. All right, so let's type that in. 14.67. All right, let's check the answer. All right, got that one correctly. All right, right sum. So it's the same deal, but when you want to do a right sum, we're gonna plug in right endpoint. Oh, sorry, this is gonna be a right sum. So r sub 3. All right, so in this case, first one, we're gonna actually start with 2. So we do f of 2 plus f of 3 plus f of 4, right? Then multiply by delta x, which is 1 anyway. So let's do that. Right, so f of 2 plus f of 3 plus f of 4. Right, then hit enter. Right, so it's at 20.67. So this came out to be 20.67. Right, so we're gonna go here and type it in. 20.67. Right, check the answer. Right, got that. Alright, that's that. I just wanted to show you how to find the left sum. There's no command for right sum, but there's a command for left sum. So if you go back to here, right? Then if you click on this like a play button thing, then go to all commands, then open that up. And you see that there's a left sum somewhere. Let's go down to, okay, let's see. Here, there's a left sum, so put that. So what you do is put a function and starting x value, which is 1 in this case, and the ending x value, which is 4, and the number rectangle, which is 3. So let's do that, right? So first you put the function, which is f of x, right? Right, then starting value is 1, ending value is 4, number rectangle is 3, right? So if you do that, then hit enter, right? So it actually sketched the picture as well. So if you look at that, and you can see that the rectangle is written, and the value is 14.67, which is exactly the same number we got before. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.